Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey everyone, and welcome. My name is Connor Sandstrom. I am a Revenue Cloud consultant accredited professional, and here at Solved, we are one of the early adapters of RCA, and we are Revenue Cloud experts. Today, we are going to continue to dive into Revenue Cloud to see how it can help automate your business. Today, we are going to be talking about how we can automate our pricing strategy within Salesforce. Specifically, we'll explore how to apply automatic volume-based discounts in RCA using Revenue Cloud's native pricing adjustment schedules. In many organizations, applying volume discounts can be a manual, time-consuming process. Sales reps might be manually calculating tiers, leading to potential errors, inconsistent pricing across different deals, and a lack of real-time visibility into the final price. This not only slows down the sales cycle, but can also lead to revenue leakage. But what if you could automate this entirely? Salesforce Revenue Cloud offers a robust solution through price adjustment schedules. These allow you to define tiered discounts that automatically apply based on the quantity of a product purchased. This ensures consistent, rule-driven pricing without any manual intervention, directly integrated with your product setup. So how does it all come together? At its core, we create a price adjustment schedule. Within that schedule, we define price adjustment tiers. These outline the quantity ranges and their corresponding discount percentages or amounts. These tiers are then linked to products. When this product is then added to a quote, the pricing procedure then automatically executes these rules to apply the correct discount. The benefits of setting this up are significant. You'll see an increased efficiency in your sales process, improved pricing accuracy by eliminating human error, and optimized revenue through a consistent application of your pricing strategy. It's also highly scalable for growing product catalogs and provides a clear audit trail for all applied discounts. Now, let's get into a quick demonstration. In my Salesforce org, I've already set up a product, and I'll walk you through how I configured the price adjustment schedule and its tiers. Then we'll dive into the step of refreshing the decision tables and updating the pricing procedure. Finally, we'll see it in action by adding our product to a quote. We'll first take a look at this price adjustment schedule. I've named this standard volume-based adjustment. This is because we are specifically looking at a schedule type of volume. Clicking here, you'll see that there are other types that you can use with your price adjustment schedules. But right now we're taking a look at volumes. We also have the adjustment method where we are using range. This is where, based on the quantity of our product, is how we are using it. We will give this level of discount to everything. We also have the ability to slab, where we can give a discount to the quantity that falls in one tier, and then the next tier up could receive a different level of discount. Next, we will take a look at our price adjustment tiers. I'll go over to that tab, and we're specifically looking at our custom office chair right here. I'm going to click into one of these, and we'll see our lookup back to our adjustment schedule, and we'll see that we're giving it a tier type of percentage. You also have the ability to give an amount, and then the tier value, we're using percent, so I'm saying a 10% discount, where if I was doing amount, I would put a dollar value in here. Again, I have my lower and upper bounds. These lower and upper bounds are inclusive, so they will not match the next tier up. And then we have our product selling model of one time. So if I come back here, let's take a look at the next tier up. We'll see that I have my lower bound at 21. So I mentioned that that was inclusive. And then we have our tier value that goes up to 20%. So that's the basic structure of how we're using this as percentages. And next up, we'll take a look at the next things we have to update. So after we've created our price adjustment schedule and our price adjustment tiers, we're going to come over to setup. We're going to want to find our decision tables. So I've already created one that has this volume discount entries. And we'll see that the object we're pointing to is this price adjustment tier. You'll need to create one of these if this is your first time doing it, or this is the table you will come to refresh anytime you add additional tiers. So once we refresh that table, that's going to take any updates that we've made. Now we need to make sure our pricing procedure is correct. I'm going to jump over to our pricing procedure, and I'll scroll up and just give you a quick view of the different things that go into a pricing procedure. We'll scroll down until we find, or if you're adding for the first time, you'll add the volume discount element. Here we identify what lookup table we're using, and then we set our variables. So the price adjustment schedule is a required field. And the way that I am passing in the ID of the adjustment schedule is through a constant variable. I've then just put the ID as the default value of this variable. I'll make sure that this is saved and that it's active, and this will allow us to test out our next step of adding our product to a quote. So next up, we are going to take a look at adding our product now to a quote and see how the quote lines react with the discount based on the quantity that we input. So I'm just on a general testing quote right now. I'm going to navigate over to the lines, and I am going to look for the chair. I'm going to go ahead and click it. See that once I save, I will then be able to update the quantity. I'm going to toggle on this instant pricing, and our tiers that we have set up were from 10 to 20, we'll get a 10% discount. From 21 to 30, we'll get a 20% discount. And then anything over that, we'll get a 30% discount. So I'm going to update this, and I am going to put in 13, enter it. And we'll see that total adjustment amount. That's the amount of discount that we're getting. We'll see that based on the discount, there is a net unit price of 180. And we'll see our net total over here. Next, if I jump this up to say 25, we'll see our total adjustment amount goes up and our net unit price continues to go down. Next, I will go ahead and I will jump this up even higher. Take a second to run, and now we have our total adjustment amount and our net unit price. Next, I'll go ahead and click save. And we'll see that it's successfully saved. In summary, price adjustment schedules in Salesforce Revenue Cloud provide a powerful native way to automate volume-based discounts. This approach streamlines your pricing, reduces errors, and is entirely achievable in RCA. Just remember those crucial steps of defining your schedule and tiers, refreshing your decision tables, and updating your pricing procedure. Thank you for watching and taking time to learn how Revenue Cloud can help transform your business. I hope you found this information valuable. For more information, continue to watch our videos at SOLVD.cloud or on YouTube. We would love to help you find ways that you can help automate your business. Have a great
Next
day.
time.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.